Hello, little one. Let's dive under the sea and meet some amazing ocean friends. We'll swim, wiggle, and float together. Are you ready? Now, let's tiptoe into the cool, quiet forest. Forest and woodland animals. Deer. 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 The deer has soft fur and tall antlers. Deer. It walks quietly and listens to every sound. When it's scared, it runs fast through the forest. Can you tiptoe like a deer and look around carefully? Fox. 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 Here's a clever fox. It has a fluffy tail and shiny eyes. Fox. The fox loves to sneak and play at night. Can you curl your tail and say, "Sneaky fox"? Wolf. 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 The wolf runs with its pack through the forest. Wolf. It howls at the moon. Awoo! Wolves are brave and strong. Can you tilt your head back and howl too? Awoo! Bear. 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 Look, a big bear. Bear. It's strong but loves honey and berries. In winter, it sleeps in a cozy cave. Can you yawn and curl up like a sleepy bear? Raccoon. 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 The raccoon wears a mask on its face. Raccoon. It loves to wash its food before eating. It's curious and climbs into everything. Can you pretend to wash food like a raccoon? Squirrel. 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 The squirrel is small and quick. Squirrel. It climbs trees and hides nuts for later. Can you pretend to nibble a nut? Crunch, crunch. Now jump from branch to branch like a squirrel. Hedgehog. 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 The hedgehog has little spikes on its back. Hedgehog. When it's scared, it rolls into a tiny ball. Can you roll up like a hedgehog? Curl tight. Now stretch back out and smile. Badger. 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 The badger digs tunnels underground. Badger. It's strong and loves to work hard. Can you dig with your hands like a badger? Beaver. 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 The beaver builds dams in rivers. Beaver. It uses its big teeth and strong tail. Can you slap your hands like a tail? Smack, smack. Now build your pretend dam. Plop, plop. Moose. 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 The moose is tall with giant antlers. Moose. It walks slowly through the snowy forest. Can you lift your arms high like moose antlers? Now take big, slow steps. Step, step. Skunk. 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 The skunk has black and white fur. Skunk. When it's scared, it lifts its tail. Uh-oh. Can you pretend to hold your nose? P-U. Now tiptoe away quietly. Ocean and sea animals. Dolphin. 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 Here's a friendly dolphin. Dolphin. It's smart, fast, and loves to jump over the waves. Dolphins talk with squeaky sounds. E-E-E. Can you swim and click like a dolphin? Splash and jump. Whale. 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 Look, a giant whale. Whale. It's the biggest animal in the ocean. Whales sing deep songs under the sea. Woo, woo. Take a big breath in and blow out like a whale's spout. Shark. 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 Uh-oh, here comes the shark. Shark. It has sharp teeth and swims so fast. But not all sharks are scary. Some are calm and gentle. Let's make our fins and swim side to side. Swish, swish. Octopus. 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 Wow, an octopus with 8 wiggly arms. Octopus. It can squirt ink and hide under rocks. Can you wave your arms like an octopus? Now hide like an octopus. Shh. Crab. 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 Here's a little crab on the sand. Crab. It has 2 claws and walks sideways. Click, click. Can you pinch your fingers like a crab? Now scuttle sideways, crab walk. Jellyfish. 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 Look at the jellyfish. It's soft and floaty. Jellyfish. It moves up and down in the water. Whoosh, whoosh. Can you float and wiggle your arms like a jellyfish? Don't touch, just glide. Seahorse. 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 Here's a tiny seahorse. Seahorse. It stands up straight and curls its tail around seaweed. The daddy seahorse carries the babies. Wow! Can you curl your finger like a seahorse tail? Starfish. 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 A star in the sea. Starfish. The starfish has 5 arms and sticks to rocks. It moves very slowly, step by step. Can you stretch out your arms like a starfish? Coral. 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 Look at the coral, so many colors. Coral. Fish love to hide and play around it. Coral is not a plant, it's alive. Let's wiggle our fingers like coral growing under the sea. Lobster. 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 The lobster lives under the sea too. Lobster. It has a hard shell and strong claws. Snap, snap. Can you snap like a lobster? Now crawl slowly along the ocean floor. Wow, that was a splash-tastic time! You are so great today! You have learned so many words! Give yourself a round of applause quickly! Next time, we'll explore even more amazing animals. Are you ready for the next adventure? See you soon, little explorers! Bye-bye!